What is going on, LUNC Army? Thank you so much for tuning in, you lunatics. I wanted to give you an update on price action playing out basically at this point exactly the way I saw it. We'll see what happens on this, but if you'd like the content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. You got me so excited right now. I'm telling everybody to leave a comment. So price action, I get the feeling it's about to break out. I'm going to show you the chart, and it's my crazy drawings. You saw it yesterday if you watched. I think that we've got something developing right now. As you can see on this chart, I know I got a lot of chicken scratch over here. Let me hide that for just a second. You can see right here, we're kind of playing out in this little channel here in this pattern, and that pattern includes some resistance up along this way. And we're getting to the crux of this whole thing. And once we get into this little range right here, there's going to be a significant breakout. Now, we're not testing all-time highs. I'm not telling you that. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you have an opportunity right now to maybe get a pump. And, you know, I've been a big proponent of flipping back and forth between USTC and LUNC because that helps you to accumulate, right? So what do I see on LUNC? I see kind of the same thing, that longer term sort of trend line, by the way. If I move out to the day chart, you can see it kind of playing out. Well, guess what? It's playing out on a mini format right now, and it did have a breakout. You know, this has been very predictable up and down the line. We're going to get another pump up into this level. It's going to be about 2.1 cents. But here's the thing. Very soon, we're going to have a breakout. This is starting to move in that positive sort of direction. If it continues just a little bit, then we're about to see a crossover in a couple days. Also, about a month out, but coming. And if it happens that way, this is the day, by the way. So if it happens that way, then I think that we've got a gigantic sort of move coming that it's just going to be fantastic, guys. I think that we're getting closer and closer to seeing it play out. And why is that? Well, as you go around here, you're starting to see directly burn the 800 million USTC. Listen, and I'm not calling you a bunch of crybabies, but if you're making proposal after proposal after proposal to do what was already agreed upon, you're a crybaby, right? This is Vegas still doing the same thing. And yesterday there was some stuff in Telegram where they said, "Oh, you can't just keep making proposals over and over and over again for the same thing." And Vegas' response was, "Yes, I can." So guys, this is and Risk Harbor, by the way, for those of you that have not been paying attention, Risk Harbor, which was the Ozone Protocol, they've ghosted everything so far. They've absolutely ignored the requests and demands to this point. So I'm not sure what the next step is. I'll keep you posted as I know, but it's looking like they are doing everything they can. In fact, the creator of Ozone Protocol, now called Risk Harbor, has changed his LinkedIn profile from the owner to a contributor. So I think what they're going to do is they're going to say that they're a DAO, and that one DAO can't tell another DAO what to do. I think they're really going to try to do something just to be babies about this, because I think they're looking at 800 million USTC, and they're hoping that they can profit off of the work that we're doing. I think they want to steal the money. That's just my opinion. I could be completely off. I could be completely wrong about that, you know. But I think that that's exactly what they're trying to do, because they value that at probably a significant amount, and they want that money. So, you know, this is going to get interesting. But volume, $20 million on the day, around 19 million, but it's up 21%. Significant interest starting to build. FOMO starting to build. We're going to get an update on USTC repeg pretty soon. USTC, by the way, up 56%. Market cap starting to move a little bit. People getting excited about the possibility of this thing playing out the way I'm telling you. We're getting a big USTC pump. Then maybe we can use that, flip it over into Luna Classic and accumulate just a little bit more and start making those flips. Now, over here, Lunatic LUNC Lover 69 says, "You don't understand. Vegas involvement is needed. Exactly 0% for this. Not a fan of Vegas, but that's okay. You don't have to be a fan of Vegas to be working together." So, you know, there's going to be different factions, and don't let all of this is what we call over here FUD. Ignore FUD, spread positivity. LUNC can be successful if we ignore the bad actors in our community who are damaging our chain, but people still supporting them. Now, that doesn't give a name. That doesn't say anybody, but it does say something that's very important. Spread positivity and ignore FUD. If you can do that, then guess what? A lot of this problem stuff, a lot of these fake outrages, they're going to start to go away. The only reason that this stuff happens the way that it happens is because a lot of degens came into this, and now they're sitting here waiting for that pump to happen. And now they think that they know better than everybody else exactly what needs to be done, and they don't know. So let's give it an opportunity for it to play out. Stay positive, ignore FUD. Remember, you have a team working on it. No matter how many different DAO proposals that you see of the same thing over and over again, I assure you it's going to be fine. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you leave a comment, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.